Yeah, she's eating her carrot this morning. Maybe should cut it in smaller chunks. Oh, she's chewing and chewing. It's unbelievable. There's a lot of 4-inch long. That's the other half of it. She's seen it too. She wants it. Look at her. Oh my gosh. You want this? You ready for this? Oh, look, you get right up on them feet. Here. There you go. Yeah, she gets right in close to me like just reach out and touch her. Oh, look at that. That's fun to watch. I don't know why I get so excited over this stuff, but I just think I'm the lucky fella. This happens about every morning.